For me, these activities enhance and improve my mental health. Playing basketball helps me develop my skills, improve my physical condition, reduce the risk of potential health issues, and provide a healthy distraction from my daily routine. Another aspect is helping my mother with cooking at the store, which allow me to contribute well. Enjoying these moments. Additionally, listening to music is another activity I engage in to maintain my mental well-being. It helps me clear my mind of distraction and concern, allowing me to focus and unwind. This is how I spend my time when I have no other important task to attend to. The emotion I feel while doing these activities is happiness, although it is a temporary sense of fulfillment. It's helped me stay productive in my daily life. I often think that someday I might no longer be able to do these activities such as playing basketball every day because life is constantly changing. Eventually, there will come a time when new responsibility and tasks like work will take priority. This leisure time serves as an opportunity to clear my mind and experience joy, even if only a brief moment. These activities help me relax and ease my worries in life, especially regarding my studies due to pressure of my academic work. I often feel anxious about with others. I can complete the task and meet the expectation required of me. While these activities provide temporary relief, they are beneficial in allowing me to unwind from the many touch and concern in my life.